Rebecca here, and today is cleaning day. Normally I would not be this excited, but sharing with you this Baseboard Buddy. Now these were gifted to me in exchange for my cleanliness is really my goal throughout the whole home, and having baseboards cleaned, it really does look a lot cleaner and really helps make it an easier task for me. So let's get this box open and check it out together. It does come with some instructions and some care guide for your sponges that you use to wipe off the baseboards. Looks like it's going to be super simple. It's just one of those push and then you put the pull together. And you heard the click. Then that's ready. So that's super easy. I do like the handle here. It's going to make it so it's easier to grip when I am using the Baseboard Buddy. Scrubber part. I like the fact that they do come with two of the cloths that you'll use to wipe off your baseboard. So you could maybe have one washing and still be able to use this. And I feel like you could use this on blinds too. It does have a swivel action here so you can adjust it just so it's really good for you. Now, I know I have crown molding in some places too, so this is going to be really helpful. The mat that you're going to use to wash the baseboards on and off is just, it's Velcro. Seems very interlocking too. I like the Velcro here, and it does have that lip, so if you have the crown molding up on the top, you can lock it in place too. You just will twist that top. For best results, they do say make sure you wet this down. Kind of just spray the cleaner on your Baseboard Buddy real quick. Maybe move it around a little bit and then just clean it off. I'm going to be able to go up on the wall a tad too. That dirt and everything that it has collected. Now this one I'm going to flip it around because the lip's on the top and I'm not going to be able to reach it. So I'm going to flip it around, and that was an easy change. Look at that. It is definitely getting everything clean. Now I could see you could put it on the door itself a little bit. Really, this Baseboard Buddy, it's gonna make my cleaning the baseboards and the crown molding around my house so easy. You can see just from that little bit of wiping it down right here and getting my baseboard that this Baseboard Buddy really did and is very helpful. So all in all, I really think this is a great buy and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.